Dallas 911, this is Donna. Where's your emergency?
Yes, very, very emergency. My son is completely suicidal. He's yelling that he will kill everybody. But he really is very dangerous. He's yelling that he will kill everybody, and he's such a nice.
Ma'am.
I just heard some banging there. Dallas police! How you doing? Where is he?
Yeah, but he didn't have medicals.
Okay, Donde is Martin.
He's already, but he has got, he's won't kill
Come outside.
himself.
Come outside. It's okay. Come on outside.
He won't kill himself.
Hey, Martin!
Does he have a knife?
No, you guys sprayed me already, and I'm done with this shit.
Martin!
I'm done with this shit.
How you doing? Put it down! Put it down!
Martin, drop the fucking knife!
Put it down, Martin! Drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Drop the fucking
Drop
knife!
it!
Drop it
Drop
now!
the knife!
Drop it now!
Ma'am, come out here! Ma'am, come out here! Who else is in the house? Who else is in the house? Come over here!
Come here now! Come here!
He's okay.
Who else is in the house?
Who else is in the house?
No one.
Just you.
Police, don't move! Look at your head! Hey, back up. Tase him again.
Yes!
Fuck!
Hold on.
Alright, finish your job. Back clear.
Shut out.